Cupid's Fairweather Zodiac book by John Cecil Clay and Oliver Herford. The year of 1911. Aquarius, the water bearer. When I consider how I spent my days and mind me of the reckless race I ran, I am resolved that I will mend my ways and swear henceforth to be a waterman. Pisces, the fishes. Now forth to fish goes good St. Valentine, and baits his gentle hook with tender wishes. Cupid has lent his bow for rod and line. Alas, our time has come, we are the fishes. Aries, the ram. The wind is like to a rampageous ram that rushes to and fro and round about. I speed my parting hat with futile dam as my umbrella turneth inside out. Taurus, the bull. Through melting clouds the ever-gaining sun predicts a rise in summer's stock today. The bears of winter now are on the run. The bull of spring over April's bourse holds sway. Gemini, the twins. Winter the dotard, fooled by April's tears, is fain to linger in the lap of spring, when with her tall twin brothers May appears, and bids him have no thought of such a thing. Cancer, the crab. Since it is written, crabbed age and youth cannot together live, now strange to tell, the crusty crab for love of June's sweet tooth lays down his life and doffs his armored shell. Leo, the lion. See how the lion rages in July, and shakes his mane and walketh up and down, and roars for hunger. Shall I tell you why? The folk who feed him all are out of town. Virgo, the virgin. Come maidens all, for grace or beauty known, behold your queen in virgin majesty. The summer girl who sits on August's throne and holds her court beside the laughing sea. Libra, the scales. Careful, September doth exactly weigh upon her balance equal night and day. But when I make my reckoning in the fall, I find there is no balance there at all. Scorpio, the scorpion. It is said the scorpion, when hemmed in by fire mocking the flames, will do herself to death. So summer dying smiles upon her pyre of maples fanned to flame by autumn's breath. Sagittarius, the archer. I hear the singing of his cypress bough as comes the archer down the lonely ways. Through my sad heart his mournful arrows go, winged with the memories of summer days. Capricorn, the goat. Frolic of foot, yet bearded like a sage. The goat may stand for jovial old age. His horns are horns of plenty and good cheer. He is the jolly mascot of the year. The end.